Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be adding some functionality to the bed of the Ford Maverick in the form of the Builtright Industries Bedside Rack System. This is the panel as you receive it, and it's going to come with the mounting hardware and one panel. And these panels can go on the driver or the passenger side, and it just fits right behind this rail. So we're going to have to take it off, and it does reinstall over up here, so you can keep that rail on your bed if you have it. Now on the back side, you're gonna have these holes every couple of inches, and that's so if you have anything that needs wires ran to it, you can run it behind the panel just to make it look a little more tidy. I also decided to get these quick fist mounts, and what that allows you to do is if you have a tool, you can hold on to it and install it on the mount itself. Now this is all we're going to need for installation: a T30 Torx bit and a 12mm socket, and if you don't have an impact, just use a ratchet. Now first things first, we're going to start off by removing 3 of the T30 bolts to get rid of the rail. Alright, so now that the rail is off, I put it on the panel itself. Now I did use the factory bolts because the cleat over here, when sliding it, if you used the Builtright bolts, it sticks up too high and it would bind and wouldn't allow it to pass wherever that bolt was. Now that we got that out of the way, we will bring the panel up to where it's going to secure on the bed, and we will slightly thread in each bolt. And once all 3 are partially threaded, we'll get the impact and actually tighten it down. Now that we have the panel installed, we're going to grab these rubber spacers that come in, and I already put one behind right there, and then this plastic friction pin, and just to give it a little offset from the bed itself, we're just gonna stick it behind and then plug it like that. And you should probably get them as far apart as possible, so I'm gonna put one here and then one at the other end. Alright, so the installation's done now, but I'm going to put some stuff on it so you can kind of see what you could do with this panel. Alright, so this is how I'm going to set mine up, and starting over here on the right side, I have a almost full-size shovel from Dmos. They're awesome because they fold up pretty nice and tidy. And then next I have my impact with the battery, and then another battery on a charger. And what's nice about the Maverick is the power plug here only operates when you're driving, so I don't want the battery charging all the time, so that works perfect for me. And then just at the end I have a little medical kit in case you run across a car accident, and something as simple as a tourniquet might save someone's life. So I think for me that's a really good thing to have. The last thing I was going to say is it really doesn't take up a lot of space. So if you look from here, everything barely sticks out. I don't think anything's sticking out past this wheel well. And so you're really not losing any space, you're just gaining a lot of places to put smaller tools and accessories. Let me know down below what you all think, and if I should get one for the passenger side, because I definitely have some stuff I can put on it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.